La, 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 la,
Stop.
la.
No, okay, just no more, no more. Okay, we're trolling on Dome, but we're gonna try. It's probably gonna fail because this is such a small map. We also changed our trolling classes, so our secondary is now Sniper. Wow, that's a great name. Twisted Nipples. Oh, wow. Really good one. It's nipple right.
Dude, this is gonna be so hard.
There's nothing we can troll. I don't think I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna try, dude. We can't do anything. I put
A guy? Are you gonna troll?
No.
Nice!
What a shot.
Did you get an assist though?
Yeah.
Oh, it sucks.
No, that wasn't kill though. I don't know why I got that assist. I think because I threw a flashbang and then shot that guy. But that was my kill. Yeah, because it said payback. Oh! Hot shot grenade. Dude, it's like a pop shot with my grenade.
What's that?
It's where you just throw a grenade randomly. I got a kill.
I got an assist from just pot shotting a flash.
Bang! Oh, bitch.
Hard scoping much.
No.
Me? No, I was talking about me. I just got 2 kills by hard scoping.
Oh, did you see that? That was beautiful.
You tipped my flashbang, dude.
What?
You tipped my flashbang. I tipped it? Yeah.
Oh!
I saw that.
That was the second time I hit that guy with it. I killed that guy 3 times in a row. Oh my god, is this him? Oh, I did double kill, dude.
Nice.
Shit. I'm mad. Fuck. Fuck. Bounce back in time. Hit the stairs and went backwards. Dude, I killed
Yes.
Murder and Ninja 3 times. What the hell was that?
Dude, I'm gonna go up here. Gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die.
Motherfucker. Ho ho ho. Sit down. Where are you? Oh, you're up there? I'm 13. I have 13 kills too. Nice. Oh, that was nice.
What am I?
Oh, what? That's so many kills.
I'm 6. Yeah, I've gotten some pretty nice quick scopes.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you do one.
Oh my god. Shotgun. What the hell? What? The fuck? Keep on dying. And of course you just use the. What the hell? That was so fast. Okay. Well, that was a round where we lost, but we got some pretty nice kills.
Yeah, so some nice quick scopes, mostly by Cornelius.
Mm-hmm.
Just doesn't get into my rookie.
Yeah. So, but